Hi friends! I'm happy to see you. This is going to be our last circle time for this week because this is today, 1, 2, 3, 4 days after that are holidays. So I will not see you for circle time until this day. Okay, let's get started. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome job! Okay, let's do our calendar time. We'll start with our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, my friends, let's do our months dance. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December, 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! And now it's time to count the days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and today is number 9. Today is Thursday, April 9th. Okay, my friends, circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. And now it's time for play. I'll see you next week!